Your body's a wonderland.
How did you sleep?
Sleep bullshit.
Why? What do you want to do now?
Get in another room.